Goodbye, baby girl. Daddy's going away for a while. I can't. Ow! Ouch! God, those claws went right through my pants! Oh my God. Oh my God, they're gone! Kitty, you did it! You broke the curse! What? Peter, no! They went away! My hiccups are gone!
Oh, no, that's exactly what you said not to listen to.
Peter, please, I swear, they're gone! Listen!
Gary Quagmire, I promise to take you out of your misery. And when I give my word on something, I give it my all. Like when I guarded Jeffrey Epstein.